Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your WhatsApp web usage on your PC. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the WhatsApp Web website. Step 2. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Click on Settings. Look for this option in the menu. It will take you to the settings page for WhatsApp Web. Step 4. Click on More Settings and Permissions. This will open a new menu with additional options. Step 5. On the top, you will find the total usage. Here, you can see the amount of data you have used on WhatsApp Web. And that's it. You have successfully found your WhatsApp Web usage on your PC. Now you can keep track of your usage and manage your data more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.